Now we are going to solve this problem. So when you refer this circuit, this is a summer or summing amplifier. So the formula for that one is V0 is equal to minus RF by R1 into V1 plus RF by R2 into V2. So we have to mention what is RF here. So this is your RF, this is R1, this is V1, this is V2, this is R2. But usually we'll find out the V0 here. But in this problem, V0 is asked across this 40 ohm resistor. So let's mark this as V01. So this is our V01. So first we'll find out this V01 based on this formula. Later on we'll move on to find out this V0. Okay, right. So V01 is equal to minus of, what is R1 here? RF here, RF is 200 divided by this 100 into V1 plus 200 divided by this 100 into V1. Okay, so we get this as 2, 2. Okay, so it is minus of 2V1 plus 2V2. So that can be written as minus 2 times V1 plus V2. Okay, so we got this expression for this V01. So then what is V0? So V0 means if this is your V01, we can find out this V0 using voltage division rule. So V0 is equal to V01 multiplied by this 40 ohm resistance divided by the total resistance. Okay, so it is 10 plus 40. So V01 is minus 2 times this V1 plus V2 divided by 50 multiplied by 40. So it is minus 8 divided by 5 multiplied by V1 plus V2. So now we got the answer as V0 in terms of V1. This can be written as minus 1.6 times V1 plus V2. So this is the answer. Thank you.